guys, welcome back to our channel Biohackers. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video and make biology easy. Today we will be studying about harmful microorganisms. ऐसे microorganisms जो कि हमारी बॉडी में रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट, गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टाइनल ट्रैक्ट या फिर कोई भी स्किन सरफेस को ब्रेक करके हमारी बॉडी में घुस जाएं और हमारी बॉडी को हार्म करें, ऐसे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स को बोलते हैं हार्मफुल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म। हार्मफुल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर हार्मफुल इन many ways as they can cause diseases in human beings, plants and animals also. ऐसे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो कि डिजीज कॉज करें उन्हें हम बोलते हैं पैथोजन। ऑल्सो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो हार्मफुल होते हैं वो फूड, क्लोथिंग, लेदर इन सबको भी खराब करते हैं। Now we will be studying about disease causing microorganisms in human. What actually happens is जो पैथोजन होते हैं वो हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी के अंदर एंटर कर जाते हैं थ्रू वेरियस वेज, जैसे कि एयर हो गया थ्रू विच वी ब्रीथ, या फिर वाटर विच वी ड्रिंक, या फिर फूड वी व्हाट वी ईट। ऑल्सो दे कैन बी इजीली ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रॉम अ इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन टू अ हेल्दी पर्सन। माइक्रोबियल डिजीज जैसे कि कॉलेरा, कॉमन कोल्ड, चिकन पॉक्स, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, ये कुछ ऐसी डिजीजेस हैं जो कि इजीली ट्रांसमिट हो जाती हैं फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन। कुछ ऐसे इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं जो कि ट्रांसमिट करने में हेल्प करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाउस फ्लाई इज़ वन ऑफ द कैरियर। व्हाट हैपन्स इज़ जो ये फ्लाइज होती हैं वो किसी भी फूड में जाके बैठ जाती हैं जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी वो माइक्रोब्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं। तो जो माइक्रोब्स होते हैं वो उनकी बॉडी से ऑलरेडी अटैच हो जाते हैं। सो जब वो किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग को जाके बाइट करती है तो वो जो माइक्रोब्स हैं वो इजीली ह्यूमन बॉडी के अंदर एंटर कर जाते हैं एंड इन दिस वे द ह्यूमन गेट्स इन्फेक्टेड। Now, let's know some common human diseases which are caused by microorganisms and their mode of transmission. First is tuberculosis. Their causative microorganism is bacteria and the mode of transmission is air. Second is measles, which is caused by viruses and its mode of transmission is also air. Third is chickenpox, which is again caused by the viruses and their mode of transmission is air. Fourth is polio. It is also caused by viruses and its mode of transmission is air and water. So as we know, prevention is better than cure, so we must take preventive measures. As their mode of transmission is air, so we must keep the patient in complete isolation. Also, their personal belonging should be away from those that are healthy, and vaccination to those people which are at suitable age. Another diseases are cholera, which is again caused by the bacteria and the mode of transmission is food and water. Next is typhoid, which is caused by bacteria and its mode of transmission is also water. These diseases can be prevented by maintaining personal hygiene and good sanitary habits. Also, consume of properly cooked and well boiled drinking water can lead to prevention of these diseases. Another disease is hepatitis B, which is caused by virus and its mode of transmission is water. It can be prevented by drinking boiled water or vaccination. Next is malaria. Its causative microorganism is protozoa and mode of transmission is a housefly. For prevention, we must use mosquito net and mosquito repellents. Spray insecticides and control breeding of mosquito by not allowing water to collect in the surroundings. Now, next topic is disease causing microorganisms in plants. कुछ microorganisms plants जैसे कि wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane etc. जैसे plants को harm या disease cause करते हैं। So आइए जानते हैं कुछ ऐसे plant diseases. First is citrus canker, which is caused by bacteria and its mode of transmission is air. Second is rust of wheat, which is caused by fungi and its mode of transmission is also air and seeds. Third is yellow vein mosaic of bindi, which is also caused by virus and its mode of transmission is insect. ये diseases yield of crop को reduce कर देती हैं, so they are needed to be controlled by various chemicals or pesticides which kills the microbes. Now, these microbes not only harm the human beings or plants, they also harm the animals. For example, anthrax, which is a very dangerous human and cattle disease which is caused by the bacteria. Also, there is a foot and mouth disease of cattle which is caused by a viruses. To be continued. In next video, we will be studying about food poisoning, food preservation and also about the nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment on this video.